Well, hello. This is a quick little video on this new lawn tractor I bought a couple days ago. It's Denmark. It's by Noman. Anyway, it's the guy I bought it from said might need to charge the battery, no starter at all, and the horn don't work. Well, horn, I don't know, you can't really see in there, but it needed this ground wire. I just grounded it over there on the solenoid, but I put in the starter there. The stud's broken off this one, so I didn't really use it. I just put some high heat thermal maker, or gasket maker there, sorry, and put the stud back in it, ran the wire, tied it into the old wire, and then brought it back up to the solenoid. Now, I don't know why, but they never worked off the key until a few days ago. It was weird, I had to cross solenoid. But the only thing with these things, the steering is always like so loose. This is 11 horsepower, by the way. Great little tractor. Three gears forward, neutral, and you got one gear reverse. Now you don't need the clutch to start this or to change gears. Now I assume you're supposed to, but you don't really need to. Now the horn, I'll show you, it does work great now. And just find my key. Uh-oh, where'd I put it? It's in my pocket. Alright, and now, this is the coolest thing about this. When you start it, this is run, right? Okay? As you can see, no lights. You turn the key back once, and that's where the horn is right there. And you got lights and tail lights, and there is one tail light burnt out I do need to fix. Now, let's see if she'll start off the key for us. I'll take you for a little ride.